Okay, I have a Coleman Saluspa that's got a small leak in it. And as you Saluspa owners, you know how much of a pain in the ass it is to fix the leak. And you have to detach this to pump it up to that. But what I did is I bought this on Amazon, like 10 bucks. Bear with me here as I'm trying to do this one-handed. Turn my unit off. Unplug it. It's got a, I don't think it has an on and off switch. It's got different attachments. Boom. Just like that, pumped up again. Don't have to drain it. Just get you one of these bad boys. I'll put the description, or I'll get you, or I'm sorry, I'll link this in the description. Peace.